Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Friday, January 21st. It's all about earnings on Wall Street today, and the reaction so far is largely positive as investors digest reports from General Electric, Bank of America, and Google. GE shares are jumping 4% in pre-market trading after the company reported a 51% jump in fourth quarter profit. GE also saw its revenue increase for the first time in 9 quarters. CEO Jeff Immelt said he expects earnings to grow in 2011 and 2012, although GE's tax rate will be higher in the first quarter of this year because of the sale of its majority stake in NBC Universal to Comcast.
The results were not as good for Bank of America. The financial giant reported a fourth quarter loss of $1.2 billion, mainly due to a $2 billion charge related to its home loans and insurance business. But even without that charge, Bank of America still fell well short of analysts' expectations. B of A's is just the latest week earnings report from the banking sector. On Wednesday, Goldman Sachs and Wells Fargo disappointed investors, helping to push the S&P 500 to its biggest loss in nearly 2 months. Then yesterday, PNC Financial posted a 21% drop in profit, prompting UBS to remove the stock from its short-term buy list. One banking firm that was bucking the trend was Morgan Stanley. It rose nearly 5% yesterday, and FBR Capital boosted its price target on the stock as a result.
Overall, the fourth quarter results from the technology sector have been much better, and the latest example is Google. After yesterday's closing bell, the internet giant posted adjusted income and revenue that topped Wall Street estimates due to strong demand for advertising on Google's search engine and contributions from newer businesses, including mobile phone ads. The company also announced a shakeup in its management structure. Co-founder Larry Page will take over as CEO, and current CEO Eric Schmidt will become executive chairman. Following the announcement, several analysts boosted their price targets on Google stock, and Jefferies raised its target all the way to $800 a share. Right now, Google is rising 2% after closing near $627 a share yesterday.
One other big company out with earnings this morning is Schlumberger. It's rising nearly 3% after posting revenue and adjusted income that topped estimates. The oilfield services firm credited increased global demand for oil and said 2011 is looking even better. Right now, crude oil is rising back near $90 a barrel, and gold is holding steady near $13.50 an ounce. One of the world's biggest miners, Freeport-McMoRan, is losing ground in the pre-market after Citigroup downgraded the stock from buy to hold. But Goldman Sachs recommends buying Freeport on any weakness. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.